And speaking of greatness, this is the utter opposite. Peekaboo! Just back now after 3 weeks on the road, the camper. What a trip we had. It was unreal. Come back and see that my lawn is starting to take in there a bit. We never had any rain when I was gone. Hardly a drop. Now today, it's raining quite hard, which is welcome for everything growing. So as soon as I got back last evening, I went up and checked on my vegetable garden almost right away. You know, I've been gone for 3 weeks. Stuff was just starting to poke through when I left, so I thought I'd go up and have a look and see how my garden turned out. And by the way, I have been gone for 3 weeks. I didn't hardly touch my phone other than to use it for keeping in touch with family or whatever. So a lot of you messaged me and said, where are you? What's going on? Is everything okay? Everything was wonderful. And when it gets that wonderful that you don't ever want to touch your phone, then that makes for a good trip. And to answer the other questions, like, did you do any filming? I didn't even take the GoPro out of the kit. Again, it just shows that we had a wonderful time. Explored 4 provinces right across Atlantic Canada. Attended a music festival in Cavendish Beach, PEI. And just had the most wonderful time with family and friends. It was like every single day, greatness. And speaking of greatness, this is the utter opposite. I came home expecting all of this to be just flourished, you know, like I have my other gardens. All my potatoes up and all of my small seeds sprouted up. Just wondering how tall things were going to be. And it is absolute zero. Again, when I left here, there was just some little tiny tops starting to form there. And you know what? I've gotten inside and I've walked along here, and all you got is still exactly when I left is exactly what's showing now. Here's my potatoes. Some of them started to come up, but not very good. That's the tallest ones I have there, which it should be twice as tall as that now. So basically, nothing moved, nothing grew. So what's the first thing we do then? We look for excuses, right? That's human nature. To think, well, it couldn't have been me. What could it have been? Well, again, this was an experiment. This ground looks pretty good to me. I don't know, maybe it was just so dry that nothing took there, because it needs to be watered every single day, twice a day sometimes on those small vegetables for sure. And maybe the ground just wasn't good for potatoes. Although this ground would be very acidic, which is what potatoes like. And where I was gone, I didn't get to put lime on it. It needs to be limed where it is so acidic up here in the woods. So maybe, you know, it'll take some time. Maybe I'll need to incorporate some more peat moss from the bogs or whatever, and some lime, fertilizer, and build it up like seaweed from the sea. That would be excellent. So obviously I need something in this ground. I won't give up onto it. I just like to show you guys that not everything goes as we plan it to be, and you can't be an expert, like I said, in anything. And obviously this did not work, and hope for the best next year, which I'm sure it will be. As always, I appreciate your guys' comments and input. You've helped me out so much with the cabin build. Hi girlies. So I just wanted to upload a real quick video, just let you guys know I'm back. Now that the fun is over, the work is going to begin again, but I'm also going to do some play. I'm going to do some fishing, and I bought a new thing that I'm going to use for fishing that I can't wait to show you guys. The deck is looking fantastic. Here, all the flowers have bloomed. The lawn has been growing pretty well, and that'll just add on over time. We have some nice flowers here. Look at this. Look. I bought some outdoor patio lights. I'm going to put over this big window now today. The lake looks delicious. The sea-doo and the fishing rod is calling me. Can't wait to see a loom with a couple of babies over there. Peekaboo! Look at this rhubarb. It's monstrosity. So stay tuned. I'll pop up a couple more videos now once I get settled in. And until the next video, take care of each other. Get outside and enjoy everything outdoors. And we'll see you next time. Guaranteed.
Get outside.